Good morning. It's Monday, the 1st of December 2025. My name is Mark Sexton, a retired police constable from Birmingham. Today we are releasing the evidence that we alluded to on Friday, the 28th of November 2025, and the letter that we made public that we sent to the senior executive in the judiciary, the police and parliament that went unanswered. Before I go on to what's in the link itself and the evidence, I do want to say again thank you to Ian Clayton for all of his hard work to make sure that all the evidence that we've accrued over the last 5 weeks, he's been able to put it into these links and make it available to you, the public. Also of note, this evidence is not everything that we have. This is merely the evidence that we are using to support what was written in the letter. All of the other evidence is still there, and the thousands and thousands of documents, it is not included. It's just what we alluded to in the letter that we sent to the executive on the 18th of November. When you click on the link, you will see all of the information. Just click on each individual link and it opens up with an explanation, and you'll be able to read for yourself, watch the videos for yourself, read the documents for yourself, newspaper articles, and see everything that we alluded to is the truth. It includes the Freedom of Information Request reply from Police Scotland confirming there was an executive order from Alan Speirs, the Assistant Chief Constable at the time, now the Deputy Chief Constable of Police Scotland, confirming there was an order for police not to accept any evidence of COVID crimes. And the video of the people, including Moira Brown and Janie Walsh, going into the police station in Scotland in March of 2024, where the police confirmed there was an order given in January of 2022 by Alan Speirs. That video is included. There is reference in there to the COVID inquiry and their reply to me from Tor Garnett, Detective Superintendent from the Met, closing down the investigation, from Judge Poole, refusing a judicial review to reopen the crime number at Hammersmith. There is the information from His Majesty's Inspectorate of Constabulary, and from the Lords, the House of Lords report, where they confirm the police were using rules, guidance and advice as law, which it wasn't law. It's all in there. There's information from meetings that were held with Sir Graham Brady, the most senior MP in Parliament at the time for the Conservative Party and head of the 1922 Conservative Committee. A meeting with him in September of 2021 with many world experts. He made promises if all the questions raised in the meeting were sent to him at Parliament, he would get them answered. We did, and he reneged. A video of him confirming 18 months later the British public was taken for a ride. My dealings with Nadim Zahawi, the vaccine minister, in 2021 of June, the allegations where he made a claim of harassment against me to the police, which was refused by the police. My dealings with him, where I sent him evidence showing and proving the vaccines are causing harm, injury and death. He acknowledged the email and he ignored the evidence. So I made a complaint of misconduct in public office against him, which went nowhere. That information is also provided. The interactions between Ian Clayton and the National Police Chiefs Council, Ian Clayton and Police Scotland, and a reply from Deputy Chief Constable Alan Speirs to Ian Clayton 6 hours after we sent the email and the letters to the 5 executives on the 18th of November. In it you will see that he spells out his position and why he did what he did, and also the fact that he did not notify Police Scotland Authority, the Scottish Police Authority, that there was a blanket ban on reporting crimes about COVID and the vaccines. I wonder how they feel about that. So it's all there. We said we'd make it available. Here it is. There's no denying it. It's not conspiracy theory. It's not tin-foil hat wearing lunacy. It's not far-right propaganda. It's not made up. This is all factual. It's all evidenced. It's their evidence, it's their replies, it's their FOIs, it's their statements that they gave to the COVID inquiry. It's all of our interaction. It's fully documented with emails and with videos and newspaper links. It's undeniable. They committed serious crimes. They prevented the people of the UK from seeking remedy and redress as victims of crime. Thousands and thousands of people have been let down. This is disgusting, it's unlawful, unconstitutional, and they have committed very serious crimes in public office across the board. Nadim Zahawi knew, Sir Graham Brady knew, the police knew, Parliament knew, and the judiciary knew, and still know to this day that it's all going on and continuing unabated. I would like to thank, and Ian would like to thank, everybody for all the sharing and the kind comments from Friday's posts. It's really appreciated. Thank you so much. It's been shared all over the world, and rightly so. This just doesn't apply to the UK. We know this has been happening in almost every country. And I urge citizens of those other countries, carry out your own investigations and find out if your police were doing the same and your route to justice was deliberately blocked with orders from the top by the UK Gold Command, the National Police, Chiefs Council and senior police officers. Thank you everybody. Please share this again. Please do the same again. Get this everywhere. Allow everybody to see the evidence for themselves and what these people have done and continue to do for the good men, women and children across this nation. They have to be held to account. Thank you very much.